Hi everybody, it's Allie. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my bathroom. The lighting is much better in here. It's raining outside and it's very dark. So today I went to a bird show and I wanted to show you guys everything that I got at the bird show. So watch the footage from the show. You'll see lots of birds and it was very noisy, so I may put some music over it. I'm usually annoyed by that kind of video, but I think you'd be annoyed by just the noise going on. And there's a little squawking, of course, but there's a big hum of crowd and people yelling across the crowd. So watch the video and come back for the haul. show. It was a lot of fun. If you like birds, you're probably watching this video for that. Just going to show you some things that I got. I got this for my African Gray, who we went to the vet the other day because I thought he looked a little skinny, and she agreed. So I got a few things just to try and increase his appetite and see what he would like to eat. And I got this World Cuisines. I got two of them. I got one of each different flavor. And this one is Inca bean salad with quinoa, and this is also with quinoa African Sunset. I got them for $2 each. They're kind of like a trial size. And I think what you're supposed to do is, yeah, oh, it's to the whole pouch. Okay. Add 3 ounces of water to the pouch, squeeze and mix, and then close it up. So I'm going to give these a try and see if he likes them. They do come in bigger bags, so if he likes these, then I'll give that a try. The next thing I got for him for treat-wise is these pellets. Now, I hate when I see I'm in selfie mode, so everything's backwards. Anyway, this is Supreme. He does eat a fruit blend. Supreme, he picks out a lot of colors. For some reason, he doesn't like purple, and he usually leaves all that over every day. So I'm going to see about giving him a little bit this. I bought a small bag, but I'm going to see if he likes this, because I know the coloring is not good, not great for them. So I'm going to give that a try, and hopefully he likes it. And then I got him a new toy. He is not big on toys. I've given him, most parrots really like blue wood, colored wood, and they like to chew on them and stuff. He does not. He's got lots of toys. He's had lots of toys throughout a couple of years that I've had him, and the only one he really liked was some kind of, it's Chinese finger torture. Oh no. He does seem to like a raffia type of thing, and he liked something with a wiffle ball on it, but he didn't touch the rest of it. So I got him this. I figured he can destroy it. This was a really good buy. It's from Busy Beaks, made in the USA, and this was $6.50. It's got a little plastic elephant on top. I figure for wiffle, he liked to chew up the wiffle ball, so maybe he'll chew him up, although he's kind of cute. And then he does love bells, so I can always hang a bell at the bottom and see if he likes that. Okay. And then for the finches, I bought them, this is, I should have cut it off. There's a little thingy here. Let me see if I can, oh, the doggies are barking. They hear the bell. This is just my nail clipper that I keep in my bathroom for when I do wash the dogs at home and just want to do their nails. So this is, oh, there we go, and it stays like that. I don't know if you can see it all the way back here. Yeah, that's a little better. They just have straight wooden perches, and it's kind of boring for them, I think. So I had put them in a new big cage. It's really tall. So I thought this can hang down the center, and they can kind of perch on there. And I guess it kind of forms to whatever yeah. So it has a little bell. I doubt they'll play with the bell, so we'll see. I'll try it and see if they like it, but it's got a little clip on the top. Yeah. So I got that. And then the last thing that I got is, that price on that. And unfortunately, it doesn't have a ticket on it. This was $5.50, which I thought was a great buy. And I think going to a bird show to get this kind of stuff is a really good idea. So if you, I found out about the bird show on Facebook. The bird show is in Springfield like twice a year. And that's only about an hour, a little under an hour from me. It's a place I go for dog shows all the time, and there's one in Tulsa and there's one in Kansas that are both within 2 or 3 those are probably 2 to 3 hours, but that's not bad if you're. I really went to look for a bird, and unfortunately, I'm going to tell you, I didn't get one. I'm looking for an Eclectus, and they didn't have a single Eclectus. As you see from the video, they had a lot of other little birds and stuff. But this is what I got for Longfellow, my gray. Who likes bells? It's the same basic thing. But this one, the guy said it's got a little thingy. The guy said if I take the bell off, which I might use this on a different toy, maybe on that other toy, but that I could stretch it across his crate and give him, yeah, he's got a pretty big crate, so that will give him a nice thing to climb on, because he's got a couple of separate little branches, and he does have one branch that goes from front to back from his crate across, but maybe I can put this through. He's kind of a special bird. I think he'll be on a different video for him, but this was $8.95. I mean, you can't beat that. You can't get this in a bird store for probably, I mean, I'm thinking this would probably be 20 bucks. It's about 3/4 of an inch rope, and or even Petco, PetSmart. This would be in the teens. I mean, $8.95. That's really good. And of course, this is from Tweety's Bird Toys. They have a website, TweetyBirdsToys.com, and apparently they're also on Facebook. So that's really neat. If you guys, it's backwards, right? Yeah. So I hate about selfie mode, but I never know, because I film on my phone, I never know if it's, maybe I can reverse that. Anyway, I'll try and reverse it for you. I'll put it on the screen. So that's everything I got at the bird show. I had a really good time talking about birds. I did get a lead on an Eclectus breeder, so that's something to look into. He doesn't have anything right now, but we're going to check into that, and hopefully maybe this summer there'll be an Eclectus baby in the house. So that'll be fun to watch. All right, guys, thanks for watching. And if you're new and you've never seen any of my videos, consider subscribing. And you can click the bell for notifications for when I upload a video. Usually, I've been bad because I did want to do every week. But now I am going to do every week, because I'm going to make it my mission to get to 1,000 subscribers. Right now, the last I looked, I think we were up to 490 something subscribers. So we're nearing 500, so that's really good. And I'm hoping to have a giveaway maybe when we hit 1,000 subscribers. But the channel's been picking up, so I'm very excited about that. And you guys all have a great day. Bye.